MacVoices is sponsored by Smile, the makers of world-class software like PDF Pen. Find out about all their great utilities at smilesoftware.com. MacVoices is at CES in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. Folks, this is Andy of FenSens, and he's going to show us what they're doing to help us park our cars a little bit easier. For as long as we have our cars, and then we go autonomous, and then we don't have to worry about it. But for right now, it's a real problem.
Tech's a fast-moving space. Right now, we have our first product. It's the world's first smart wireless parking sensor. It essentially places right on your license plate on the front and or back, and you could use your smartphone to see in front or behind your vehicle. So instead of running a bunch of wires and having a painful setup process, all you have to do is screw this in. It's 100% wireless and use the smartphone that you already have on you anyway. It comes with a patented quick launch option, so you never even have to touch your phone to launch the app on your phone.
That's especially nice, because the last thing I want to do is be fumbling with my phone in traffic while I'm trying to pull in.
And it's becoming illegal places, and for good reason actually too. Distracted driving is very horrible. You see the incidents growing every single year from people sitting in traffic on their phone. I mean, I'll be sitting in traffic and I'm like, this guy's definitely on his phone. The light's been green for like 5 seconds, so trying to avoid that as much as possible. We also have several other products coming out as well, including a smart wireless backup camera, smart Bluetooth adapters with Alexa voice control. In general, automotive IoT is a very exciting space, so look for a lot more products coming out in the next couple years from ourselves and several other companies too.
Now with this, okay, you screw it onto my license plate, that's great, but how do I charge it? Because it has to have a power source.
Yeah, so this is 100% wireless. It comes with 2 AA size batteries. They last for about a year, about a year and a half for the European version because it's a little bit bigger. And for the solar-powered backup camera we have coming out, you won't have to charge it ever again.
How?
Well, it comes with lithium-ion batteries, so once you charge it up, the solar panel will keep it charging throughout the day.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I like that.
Cool, super cool tech, yeah.
So a year for the batteries. So if I just set a year reminder, just like my smoke detectors, replace it.
You get an indicator on your phone, so you'll know far in advance before the batteries are going to die. But we haven't had too many complaints about it. Battery life seems pretty good for most people.
And this is iOS and Android?
iOS and Android, yep. Perfect. And since it's smartphone enabled, we could work with fleet management systems and anything else that's software enabled too, so outside of just the phone.
What kind of pricing?
It's $149.99, but we have a deal for CNET. We have a deal for CES. Just use the code CES and save $50.
Oh, wow. Yep. Okay.
And so it is for $99.
And obviously it's available now.
Oh, it's available now at FenSens.com, as you can see the brand name, and that's .com.
Andy, thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Folks, we'll have more from CES in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our MacVoices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple Tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep MacVoices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.